I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture, we go ahead and look at else-if statement. Else-if statement is a condition that helps us to make multiple decisions. Okay, it means making multiple decisions. So in this case, it's a combination of if statement and the else statement to give you else if. Therefore, you can make numerous conditions, and your computer will be able to run through all of them at the same time and check which one of them meets the requirement, and then to go ahead and execute that. Let's go ahead and see a typical example. Let's say x is equal to 20 and put a semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and say if x is equal to, if x is equal to 10, then I'm going to say cout, then this first condition is available. So this first condition is available. Alright. Now, instead of putting just directly else, because you might want to make other decisions, and you go ahead and use else if. Okay, so this is different. Else if x is equivalent to 30, saying go ahead out. This is the second, or say this second condition is met or is a variable. Alright, then you can make so many else if statements. Let's go ahead and code this. You can make so many else if statements, but you're going to end that with else. So you can put as many as you want. So else if this is equal to 20, this is equal to 30, this is equal to 40, this is equal to 45. Then, let's say this is equal to 15. Alright. So, this second one, this third condition is a variable. This fourth condition is a variable. And this fifth condition is a variable. Okay? So, when all these conditions are not met, if you're on this code, check out something. The condition is not met, so what is going to happen? The condition is not met, so what is going to happen? Nothing, but is not required. Therefore, you end this with else. Okay? Go right there and say else. Go ahead and paste this here and say else. This is final decision. Say this is final decision. So what this means is you can check through all this. Maybe you are able to put different grades, and they can put 20 for the first condition, 15. They can put 10 for the first condition, 50 for the second condition, 30 for the first condition, and 40 for the first condition, 45 for the fifth condition. And what if they are not within this? This is the final decision. Let's run this and check it out. Because none of this is 20. Okay, so this is the final decision. Can you see that? This is final decision. Let's go ahead and put an escape character right here to move to the next line so that it doesn't join with that. So now, if you have 20 right here. So if else is equal to 20, this third condition is a variable. Check it out. See, this third condition is a variable. Alright? So you can do this. Let's change this to, let's say, 40. And if you come back here and change this x to be 40, then this fourth condition is available. Check it out. This fourth condition is available. Alright? So, in this case, you can be able to give so many conditions. Alright? You can make so many conditions, and it will check any one of them that meets the requirement, and it will print out the result for you. That is the essence of using else-if statement in C programming language. So, the code just ready before you, put it down, play around with it. You understand more when you try it down on your own computer and you see the results. And I hope that's going to help you to go far. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.